Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the chapter number 9 exercise 9.4. Okay. Your first question is multiply the binomials. You know what is meant by binomial. Binomial means the expression which is having two terms. It is known as binomial. Okay. So here in the previous exercise we seen the multiply in the monomial. Monomial means it is having only one term. Binomial means it is having two terms. So if you see here we are having two terms. Okay. So one is 2x plus 5. Another one is 4x minus 3. So here two terms we are having. So first we will multiply this 2x into 4x. First multiply the coefficient. What is the coefficient of x, which is 2? And what is the coefficient of x in second term, which is 4? So 2x into 4x. That was here written. Next 2x into minus 3 or minus 2 into 3. In between which sign we are having? Plus 5 into 4x and minus 5 into 3. So multiply. First multiply the coefficient. 2 into 4 will gives you 8. X into x, x square, minus 2 into 3, 6 and x. In between which sign? Plus 5 into 4, 20, 20x minus 5 into 3, 15. Okay. If you see, this is also x term and this is also x term. See the sign, we are having different sign. Normally, different sign we are having means we have to subtract and then we have to see which number is having, which is bigger number. That sign we will put. The same process here. So 20 is the biggest number. So we have to put the plus sign. So 20 minus 6 will gives you 14x minus 15. So this is your first question. Now what's your second question? Y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. So first take this y and multiply with 3y. Next you take this y and multiply with 4. In between minus sign, 4 into y, 4y. Next minus sign in between we have to put 8 into first 8 into 3y. Next minus into minus plus 8 into 4, 32. Okay. So 3 into y, multiply the coefficient. 1 into 3, 3. So 3 into y, y square minus 4y minus into plus minus 8 into 3, 24y plus 32. Next 3y square. Here also this is also y term and this is also y term. Both are having same sign, which is minus. So put the minus as it is. 24 plus 4, 28, y plus 32. This is your second sum. Is clear? Nothing. Only thing you have to remember that term by term we have to multiply. Okay. First term we have to take and multiply with all. Second term we have to take multiply with all. So now your third subdivision. 2.51 into 2.51. First we have to multiply. It's not 5.1. 5L. 2.5L into 2.5L. Next 2.5L into 0.5M. That's what here I have written. 2.5L into 2.5L plus 2.5L into 0.5M. Next, in between which sign? Minus 0.5M into 2.5L. Okay. Minus into plus minus 0.5M into 0.5M. Okay. So now 2.5 into 2.5, 6.25. This is L square. This is not a 12. This is L square. While typing, it was showing like that. This is L square. Next, 2.5 into 0.5, you will get 1.25 L and M. Next, minus 0.5 into 2.5 L. So that thing you have written minus 0.25 M square. M square, it's not M2, M square. Next, What? This is also LM. This is also LM. So I subtracted and finally you are getting this answer. Okay. So then your next problem. 3 by 4 a square plus 3ab and 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. See, nothing. What we are going to do, this 4 is in outside. So multiply the 4 inside. 4 into a, 4a square minus 4 into 2 by 3. Listen. 4 into 2 by 3. Okay. 4 means 4 by 1. Okay. Multiply the numerator. 4 into 2 equal to 8 divided by 1 into 3. So 8 by 3. That's what here I have written, 8 by 3 b square. Okay. Next 3 by 4 a square. Next the problem starts. Okay. Take, this is the first term 3 by 4 a square and the full term I have written to multiply. In between which is sign? Plus 3b square x, 3b square into this full term. Now as usual multiplying like previous problem. 3 by 4 into 4a square. Here I am writing 3 by 4 into 4. Right? So this 4 and 4 gets cancelled. You will get 3. So here I put 3. A square into a square, what you will get? A power 4. Right? Next minus 3 by 4 into 8 by 3. 3 by 4 into 8 by 3. Okay. 3 by 4 into 8 by 3. What you will get? 4 ones, 4 twos, 3 ones and 3 ones. So if you multiply, what you will get? Only 2. Okay. So here I have written 2. A square b square plus. Next what term it is remaining? 3 into 4, 12. A square b square. Next 3 into 8 by 3. So this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 8 will be 8b power 4. So that thing I see. This term also a square b square. This term also a square b square. So see the sign. This is minus and this is plus. So minus and plus means obviously you have to subtract. And which number is bigger number? That sign we have to put. So here which is bigger number? 12, which is plus sign. So I am putting plus here. 12 minus 2, 10 a square b square minus 8b power 4. Is it clear to everyone? Nothing is there. Only thing, don't confuse that much. First, the 4 is there. Na? Multiply the 4 into that full term. Next, what you have to do? Separate term. As usual, we will multiply. Na? Like that, we have to multiply. So, your next problem. Find the product. Right? 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. The same model you are going to do. See, this is 5 minus 2x. Na? So taking this 5, multiply with whole term, not only 3. The whole term. That is what I am taking. In between which sign you are having? Minus. Next, 2x into the whole term. See. Now multiply as usual. So now how we will multiply? 5 into 3, 15 plus 5 into x, 5x. In between minus sign, 2 into 3, 6. Minus into plus minus, 2 into 1, 2. X into x, x square. So I am arranging it. See here, this is 5x and minus 3x. Right? So both are x terms. So see, minus, this is plus, so we have to subtract 6 minus 5, 1. 6 is the bigger number having the sign minus. So minus x minus 2x square. This is equal. Next, the second subdivision, I will left you to your own. Right? Nothing, the same thing they have given. First take this x term and multiply with full term. Next take with 7y term and multiply with the full term. That is your second step I have written. See, if you see, you can understand. This is one term and this is another term. So now multiply this x into. So x into 7x, 7x square, x into y, xy. Minus sign, don't forget. Next, 7 into 7, 49, y into x, yx. Next, minus sign, 7 into 1, 7, y square. Right? So this is xy, this is xy. Different signs. So I am subtracting. Right? And I am putting 48 extra. That's it. The same problem, same model and same method. Numbers are only varying. No other difference in this. So next, third. The problem is same, but here you don't have numbers. Simply you are having A, B, P, Q, those variables. So now listen. First, take this term A square and multiply with this full term A plus B square. Right? Next, in between with sign plus. Take this number B and multiply with this full term A plus B square. Now multiply ma. Now multiply A square into A cube, A square into B square B square plus B into A, BA or AB, B into B square B cube. So I am arranging it. A cube, B cube, A square B square, AB. That's it. Next likewise P cube. So first P square into the whole term, next Q square into the whole term. So next you multiply as usual. P square into P cube, 1 into 2, 2 plus P square into Q, P square cube minus 1 into 2, 2, Q square into P, normally we will put minus into plus minus Q square into Q, Q cube. I am arranging it. That's it. Simply go through it clearly, then you will get the idea. But these problems are very easy to understand. Once you know the basic and the multiplication method, first term you have to take with the multiply the whole term and second term you have to take and multiply with the whole term. Next simplify. See, x square minus 5, x plus 5 plus 25. These two terms are in multiplication. So first multiply these two terms. X square into x, x cube, x square into 5, 5x square minus 5 into x, 5x minus into plus minus 5 into 5, 25. Right? Plus 25. This minus 25 and this plus 25 will get cancelled. The remaining term I have written. Now second subdivision, A square into B cube will give you A square B cube. Next A square into 3 will give you 3A square. Next 5 into B cube, 5B cube. Next 5 into 3, 15 plus 5. So A square B cube, 5B cube, 3A square. These two are numbers. So 15 plus 5 will gives you 20. Okay. So next, third subdivision, t plus s square into t square minus s. First take t and multiply with the whole term. Next plus, because here you are having plus, Next take s square and multiply with the whole term. So now the problem starts. T into t square t power 3 minus t into s st plus s square into t square s square t square minus s square into s s cube. Okay, I am arranging, nothing I did. T cube, s cube, st, a square t square. The same thing this problem. A plus b c minus c. These two terms are in multiplication. Likewise, these two terms are in multiplication. So first do the multiplication of these two terms. Okay. First, a into cac minus a into dad plus b into cbc minus b into dbd. Next, a into cac in between plus a into dad. Next, minus b into cbc. Next, minus b into dbd. Plus 2 is common, right? 2 is outside, so get it inside. 2 into ac, 2 into bd. Right? Now final simplification. This is ac, 1 ac, 2 ac. Here also 2 ac. 2 plus 2, 4 ac I have written. This minus AD and plus AD gets cancelled. Plus BC minus BC gets cancelled. Minus BD and plus BD gets cancelled. Right? So remaining thing I have written. Is it clear to everyone? Plus 2BD is there. So plus 2BD we have to written. See, this is minus BD. This is minus BD. Minus 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 2BD. This is plus 2BD gets cancelled. Is it clear? Nothing. Problem is looking like this much big. But there is nothing. Only one thing you have to do. You have to multiply properly. That is the only thing. But while seeing problem is looking like this much big problem, it is not like that. So problem is very easy. Only thing, multiply carefully. That is the only thing I will say. Multiply carefully. So here next question we will go.